video for this Thursday. Now, anybody who isn't familiar with Under Armour, where have you been living or have you been living on a rock? It is here, you guys. They have a job, a work from home position, being a marketing analyst. And here it is right here. The date of the release of this job was October the 16th, 2022, and the location is remote in the US. And the company, once again, is Under Armour. Under Armour has one mission to make you better. We have a commitment to innovation that lies at the heart of everything we do, not just for our athletes, but also for our teammates. As a global organization, our teams around the world push boundaries and think beyond what is expected. Together, our teammates are unified by our values and are grounded in our vision to inspire you with performance solutions you never knew you needed, but can't imagine life without. The position summary is this. It goes as this. The data analyst marketing will be responsible for building, maintaining our marketing dashboards, programming the marketing war room, content on a weekly basis. You will serve as the global point of contact for regions, playing a critical role in collecting, cleansing, visualizing data from multiple regions, cross-functional partners. Now the central duties and responsibility goes as publish the weekly marketing dashboard insights requiring you to aggregate vision, visualize key inputs from multiple sources, countries, Omnitor, DCM, Sprinkler, and Google, Facebook, etc. And along with some other qualifications for this job, this company, guys, they have assist. You have to assist with preparing and presenting, analyzing, and analysis and reporting to business departments and management. Partner with external partners and vendors on analyst data, extracts and transfers, validation, analysts, and insights. You have to analyze and do insights. So you have to track, develop brand, channel, campaign, and customer benchmarks, comparing against company-wide and industry. The qualifications for this job will be knowledge, skills, and abilities, experience with analytics, tools, and disciplines, Adobe plus GA Analytics, and Salesforce. Experience with visualization techniques, Tableau, DOMO, I don't know how to pronounce this, I'm going to say it the best way I can, Dataroma, and detail-oriented with exceptional organizational skills and aptitude for technology. Now, the education and our experience you'll need for this company will be a bachelor's or master's degree in marketing or computer science. At least 4 years of overall work experience with majority of experience in marketing, analytics, and data visualization. Experience analyzing consumer data and providing insights that drive business results. Now, other requirements is location is remote and travel less than 10%. No relocation is provided for this job. You don't have to relocate at all. And Under Armour is an equal opportunity employer, and they respect with equal opportunities are available to all applicants and teammates without regarding to race, color, religion, sex, pregnancy, including childbirth, lactation, and related medical conditions, national origins, age, physical and mental disabilities, marital status, sexual orientation, gender identity, gender expression, genetic information, including characteristics and testing, military and veteran status, and any other characteristics protected by applicable law. Under Armour believes that diversity and inclusion among our teammates is critical to our success as a global company, and we seek to recruit, develop, and retain the most talented people from a diverse candidate pool. Learn more about Under Armour's COVID-19 response and teammate vaccination policies here. So they have that there. So if you want to go ahead and learn more, then you can about the COVID-19 response. This is a remote position, you guys. So it's a marketing analyst remote position. and they posted this job October 16th, and it's an ongoing process, still hiring. So I will post the link down below in the description. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on that notification bell, and give me a like. Give me a like on the way out, and on the way in, give me a like. And I will see you guys on the next video. Keep shining, my diamonds. Bye.